All right, I have some jokes and then I'll go. Okay? Don't worry. First joke. Dude, right now my big problem, no, is that I look very harmless on the street. Thank you for agreeing. Yes. Kind of hurt a little bit. The problem with that is people randomly come up to me for directions now. भैया बाटा चप्पल किधर मिलेगा? I don't know, dude. You go find it. You know what the problem is? There were 500 people on the street. He chose me. It's like इसको चप्पल के बारे में पता होगा. This guy's a Bata face. Look at him, like, you know. Dude, that same guy wanted a fancy sushi restaurant. He asked my friend in front of me. I'm like, I can help you. He's like, bro, तू चप्पल के बारे में. Don't come into this. I get so annoyed now. Now I just tell people wrong directions. Kind of an I know. But you know, it's not about the destination. It's about the journey. You guys get me. One guy came up to me, भैया church किधर है? I'm like, go straight, take a left. I don't know where the church is. He can't even come back to me. Even if he comes back, finds me, he's like, bro, there was no church. I'm like, God is everywhere. You can pray here also. The thing is, I look like a local from any place. You can't guess only. Last show, somebody guessed 15 states. Still didn't get it. I'm going to Delhi, people are asking directions. Bhaiya, paan ka dukaan kidhar hai? Like, I'll spit on your face right now. Like, well, I'm actually from Kerala, though. I'm actually from Kerala. No need. I came to escape from you guys. But I've never lived in Kerala. I was in Punjab actually for 10 years. Okay. Yeah. I was in 10 years. I was there, and I just want to tell, no drugs that time. All right. That's the first thing everybody has thought. Udta Punjab. Kaun ud raha tha? No. Everybody was on ground. Okay. But I grew up there. I was very underconfident, dude, as a child. You know, I didn't like socializing and all that. But I've realized Indians in general mostly underconfident. Right? Dude, we have brand names that are underconfident. Brand names. We have a biscuit in India which is called 50-50. Is it a biscuit? Maybe, maybe not. Like, which flavor do you want? Sweet or salt? Dono dal do yaar. Maybe the other side is better. Who knows? Like, you know. But I grew up in North, so all my music taste is like Bollywood now, you know. So I listen to all like Hindi songs all the time. And one of my favorite songs actually while growing up, no, was this song called Chand Sifarish. You guys know? Yeah. Dude, very nice song, okay? But I heard it again recently and I realized Shan sung that whole song, okay? Entire song he sang, but in between one guy comes and says Subhanallah, dude. That's his whole job on the song. This guy came all the way to sing one word in the song and left. Dude, they didn't call a random guy. They called Kailash Kher for that. To sing one word in the song. Dude, he must have been so insulted when he came to the studio. This guy came in an auto, went to the studio. Sir, मेरा lyrics किधर है? ये देखो पर्ची पे लिख के दे रहा हूँ देखिए. पढ़ो सर पढ़ो. दाल मखनी 18%. Sorry sir, बिल के पीछे लिखा है. Subhan Allah, wow. One word. Felt so bad for the guy. But next year, I researched Filmfare Awards. Best Playback Singer goes to Kailash Kher. For Subhanallah. Imagine how bad Shan felt. He sang the song for 5 minutes. Now he has to share that award. They went to the stage to collect the award. They went to give speech, okay? Kailash Kher spoke for 4 minutes. Shan बोले मेरा नाम तो ले ले. I was there right with you there. And that whole music video is so weird, dude, because I don't know if you guys remember, Kajol is blind in the movie. Yeah. Alright, Kajol is blind, and Amir Khan is trying to impress her by dancing. This guy is trying to impress a blind woman by dancing behind her. कि गलती से भी पता ना चल जाए कि मैं गंदा नाचता हूँ, ठीक है? But I came here, dude. I moved here. Okay, I moved to Bangalore. Very nice place. And nice people and nice food. I really like South Indian food, okay? And the other day I went to have South Indian food. Very interesting dishes on the menu. I opened the menu. First dish, masala dosa, 70 rupees. I was like, okay. Second dish, open masala dosa, 80 rupees. खोलने के 10 रुपए ले रहे हैं लोग. मुझे दे दे, मैं खोल देता हूँ. Dude, how is this a hard job? You need to pay 10 rupees for this. Like, जब बन रहा था तो खुला था. They closed it, sir. Folding discount. Right? And just to with them, I ordered open masala on Zomato. Came closed. Am I supposed to open it? Man, he called. I put cash on delivery. You open and give it to me right now. I don't want a closed open masala dosa. I want an open. I took my roommate to exploit it. I was like, dude, come with me. I know the best open masala place in Bangalore. Come with me. I'll order for you. I bought masala, opened, gave it to him. 10 rupees profit. I did that 8 times. I can eat for free now. Follow me for business tips, alright? But I actually moved here because of work. Okay, work. Most of you are working? Alright, good. Dude, when you start working in an office, right, there are a lot of procedures, okay? One of them is that you have to take a course in the office called POSH, right? If you guys don't know, it's prevention of sexual harassment. It's to reduce harassment in workplace. Dude, day one of my office, I go into the office, okay? The HR saw me. She like, you should write it. I'm like, that sounded very personal. What happened? Did I give you the wrong directions? What happened? Like, right, I wrote, she like, come here, right? I wrote the exam. I got 80%, which means I'm 20% creepy. 20% of me doesn't understand harassment. And the questions are not even hard. Okay, first question on the exam. John was in the office. Always one John is there. Indian office. But harassment is imported. We have sanskar, alright? John sees Monica, John comments on her dress. Should John have done that? Yes or no? My friend failed. 3 times. Still not fired. You know why? Exam has a retry option. Dile, we think you're creepy, but come on. You're too good at Java, we can't fire you, come on. Every year, same questions. Every year you have to write, same question. John was in the office. I'm like, पहले तो John को पकड़ो. Make him write this exam. ये हर साल harass करके निकल जाता है. Dude, every time I'm writing, next year his designation has gone up. John, a senior manager was there. ये harass करने के बाद promote कैसे हो रहा है? Dude, my friend is defending. यार, मोनिका ने कुछ बोला होगा. John की कोई गलती नहीं है. They sent us a YouTube module so that we don't fail in the exam. One woman comes in the YouTube video, she's like, please don't do this. Please don't do that. Simple instructions. First comment, you're looking nice, ma'am. यही नहीं करना था. 4 people have liked that comment. I know these guys. HR ने खुद रिप्लाई में हा 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 हा.